Hello guys, welcome back. Let's start to do this model. Do you know how to do it? It looks very complex for this model. If you don't know how to do it, we can draw the building outlines first. Then we go to the top view and use the curve tools and find a good starting position. This point is a very good starting point because you can see this line is the same for the top surface. Remember, we can use 3 control points to draw a corner, and we need to use least number of control points to draw a very smooth curve. We can use control points to adjust the curve shape. Adjust your control points one by one. Okay, I'm happy with the shape of this line. And then I just copy and paste. Drag this line to the top surface for this one. Go to the front view. And you can see the top surface is not a flat surface, right? The left side is lower, the right side is lower too, and the front and back of the surface is higher. So we can do this spatial curve line now. Let us turn on the control points. Turn on this line control points. Add all of the back control points. We can go to head options and select this one. Head control points. Then we go to the front view. Now we can adjust front curve line shape. And then we go to the perspective view and turn on all of the control points. Right click. Select the line and left click. Use the same command, head control points. Go to the back view. Now we can adjust the back view. Add all of the front control points. And also you can drag your point like this. Then we do the left part or the right part. We do the right part first. This line is the right part line. Turn on the control points. Then let us go back to the right view. Also to the left side. This is the left side lines. We can see this part, right? You need to be patient when you adjust your form. Oh, I'm happy with it. Now I get this spatial line. Okay guys, do it until this step and then we continue. We just learned how to head the control points. this comment. Oh, practice now. Then we can create the top surface. To do it, we need to draw a centroid point first. Because I have already moved my background centroid point into 0, so I just input 0 and I can create a point like this. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, copy and paste. We need to drag it to the top surface. Because the front view background already had the centroid position, this part. So we can go to the right view, drag it up. Which command can we use to create the top surface? Go to the surface creation tools. We can use revolve because it is a 360 closed surface, or we can use loft. Click loft, line point, press enter, go to normal, do not simplify, click OK. You can see this is not a smooth surface. It's not what we want, so let us rebuild the surface. Turn on the control points. We can rebuild the control points. Select these two circles of control points. Go to Selection Tools, Category Selection. Go to Select V. We can use Transform Tools, this one. Set X, Y, Z coordinates. Only select C. Click OK. And we can use this point to be reference point. Create a very smooth surface. Okay guys, practice until this step. Let us review what we learned. First, we need to draw 2 points. Put this one into the right position. We used loft command to create the top surface and turn on the control points. This one. We need to category select the control points. Used this command. And the last one, we used transform to set X, Y, Z coordinates. This command to build a smooth surface. The side surface. First, we delete this line. We can use the same command, set X, Y, Z coordinates to create a new bottom line. Press enter, choose set Z coordinate. Click on the grace. Then we can create a line, Z on the ground. We need to build a cross-section curve. Select this point in your top view. We need to make sure when we draw this line in perspective, we need to build a perpendicular straight line. Perpendicular position, okay? And we are going to rebuild this line into 4.3 degrees. Go to the front view and we can adjust the form of this line. Cool. And then go back to the top view. Rotate it. Following the same isocurve lines to the background. Now we can do the side surface. Which command can we use? Go to the surface creation tools. And we can use Rule Revolve. Right click. Select the profile curve and the rule. Find our axis. Then we create the side surface. But there is a gap, right? We need to connect them together. We want to change this side surface form and connect to the top surface. Go to the Edit Surface tools. Find Match Surface. Click it. Select the first edge. The first edge of the surface will change the form. And then the top one, you see the bottom surface is changed. Click OK. And then we made our side surface. Cool. And just change to another mode, maybe green. Close green is better. And you can turn on your surface ISO curve lines if you want. Let us review what we learned until this step. The first thing, we need to draw the bottom view, right? We used side x, y, z coordinates again. This one. And then we draw our cross-section curve. We used rebuild curve line, this one, to adjust the curve form. And then we used revolve comment to create our side surface, real revolve. The last one, we use the match surface comment. Go to the surface edit tools, this one. Okay guys, practice it until this step, and then we do the rest of the steps.